We got double trains going double speeds with, you guessed it, double locomotives here on the Iron Horse Model Railroad today. Hey Jay and I want to thank you for joining us for this Model Railroad Operations series today, where we're watching Milwaukee 88A depart McKernan's Mill with 3 loads of lumber, getting ready to head back to Eltham's coal mine in Tolan, Colorado to pick up 7 fully loaded coal cars from 2 different lines. Milwaukee 88A backing into Eltham's coal mine line 1 to pick up 4 fully loaded coal cars. Milwaukee 88A exiting Eltham's coal mine line 1 with 3 loads of timber and 4 fully loaded coal cars. Milwaukee 88A backing into Eltham's coal mine line 2 to pick up 3 fully loaded coal cars. Milwaukee 88A departing Eltham's coal mine line 2 with 3 loads of timber and 7 fully loaded coal cars, asking permission to enter the main. Milwaukee 88A passing McKernan's Mill eastbound for Denver's Union Station. Milwaukee 88A arriving at the east gate of Denver's Union Station. Milwaukee 88A westbound for Winter Park, Colorado. Milwaukee 88A arrives at Winter Park, Colorado and enters the Tabernash Passing with 3 full loads of timber and 7 full loads of coal. This is Milwaukee 95A eastbound, permission to enter the main. This is Milwaukee 95A reversing to Winter Park Line 1. Milwaukee 95A entering Winter Park Line 1. Milwaukee 95A reversing to Winter Park Line 2. Milwaukee 95A departing Winter Park Line 2, entering Winter Park Line 1 with 5 cars and mixed freight. Milwaukee 95A, permission to enter the main. Milwaukee 95A reversing to Winter Park Line 3 for 4 cars of mixed freight and a fully loaded caboose. Milwaukee 95A eastbound for Denver's Union Station. Permission to enter the main. Milwaukee 95A arriving at Denver's Union Station East Gate for passenger drop-off. Milwaukee 95A westbound for Arvada. Milwaukee 88A eastbound for Denver's Union Station. Permission to enter the main. Milwaukee 88A passing through Denver's Union Station westbound for Arvada. AJ and I want to thank you very much for watching today, and if you enjoyed what you saw, we want to encourage you to smash the thumbs up button for us. If you want to see more model railroad content, we want to encourage you to subscribe and click the bell icon. If you want to further support the channel, we want to encourage you to check out the channel memberships below.